Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So creating realistic AI selfie style videos in OpenArt lets you generate content that looks like it was filmed on a phone without actually recording yourself. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to create realistic AI selfie videos on OpenArt in 2026, natural and convincing. First thing first, choose or generate a realistic face. Okay, so you need a strong based image, like upload a real picture or generate a realistic AI portrait. Okay, so best results: front facing, natural lighting, and neutral background. So use image to video. Okay, upload your face image. Okay, from here, so you have to upload it, and after that this converts your image into video. So write a selfie style prompt, like your prompt is critical. For example, selfie video holding phone, slight hand movements, natural lighting, realistic skin texture, or talking to camera casually, small head movements, vlog style, and handheld camera. Okay, so use keywords like selfie video, handheld camera, natural movements. So keep motion subtle, like choose low or medium motion. Avoid dramatic movements because small movements means more realistic. After that, generate the short clip. So start with a 3 to 5 seconds because short clips look more real. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.